In support of the 19-hour general strike called by the JAC against the murder of Ningthaujan Bebisana Chanu, an umbrella body of around 10 clubs in Yairipok, along with Joint Committee on People's Welfare, Yairipok JCPWY, Women Vendors and Mairapavi volunteers of Laimanai, Top Bisnu Naha and Bamon Lekai block roads in Yairipok area of Thawal district today. Displaying placards, the protesters also staged a sit-in protest demanding justice for Bebisana. Due to the general strike, roads wore a deserted look and shops remain closed in Yairipok area. Manipur's popular filmmaker Romi Mite's short film Yours Faithfully will be screened at the upcoming Global Film Festival, which will be organized by Film Federation of India at Siliguri, West Bengal from 28th of this month till 25th. The cast include Roshan Luwang as lead role. The film has already won Best Short Film Award at the recently held Manipur State Film Awards. The second edition of Tangmei Festival will be held tomorrow at YPA General Headquarters Hall, Yangtam Lamka of Churachandpur district. The festival is held to commemorate unity through knowledge, culture and identity, the organizers said. The Gujarat government today opened 26 of the 30 gates at the Sardar Sarovar Narmada Dam for the first time after they were installed in 2017 to maintain the water level of 131.18 meter allowed by the Narmada Control Authority NCA in the reservoir. The total height of the dam is 139 meter, but the NCA has allowed Gujarat to fill the dam at 131.18 meter. As the National Register of Citizens NRC is being ready for an August 31st publication, there have been many allegations against the NRC authorities for unduly harassing the citizens. As per reports, the All Assam Minorities Students Union today staged a protest in front of the DC's office in Kokrazar district of Assam against the alleged injustices to the minority communities. The organization also wrote to the Home Secretary Government of India in protest against the alleged discrepancies in the NRC procedure. Ace boxer of Manipur Mary Kom and former Indian football captain Baichung Bhutia from Sikkim have been selected as part of a 12-member panel that will decide whom to honor with the National Sports Awards for this year. According to reports, the 12-member panel will select the winners of National Sports Awards like the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, Dhyan Chand Award and Rashtriya Khel Poshan Award.